Despite the abundance of pre-made GIFs, creating your own is rather simple and gives you the freedom to express yourself utilizing even the most esoteric illusions. Here, we demonstrate how to use Giphy to convert a video into a GIF. A very quick, simple, and cost-free GIF maker is Giphy. You may create a GIF by uploading your own video file or utilizing the video URL from a video hosting service like YouTube. Giphy isn't very sophisticated, but that's okay since it doesn't have to be. This GIF was quickly produced by us using one of our biteable animations. It's so simple you'll want to dance. When logged in, go to Giphy and click Create in the upper right corner. You may open a Giphy account for nothing. 2. Create a GIF. After you've uploaded your movie, trim it by selecting the length and the start time. 3. Decide to continue decorating. You then arrive at the screen for customizing. Here, you may add captions, stickers, filters, and your own squiggles and bits to completely personalize your GIF. If you like, you can completely omit this step. Otherwise, start embellishing and when finished, click Continue to upload. 4. Submit a GIF. I'm finished now. You created a GIF. Share it now with your audience, your family, your friends, and your coworkers.